Ay, galing talaga ng idol kong si Robin Padilla. Naalala ko ng 2022, talagang tinitira yung intellect ni Robin Padilla, tinitira yung kanyang ah, credentials. Although graduate naman yung tao ng college, criminology, may mga hindi na cover to doon sa taas. Ang kaya na lang basahin ay yung Cannabis Compassionate Access Act. Ang ganda yan dahil ang cannabis, pag magagamit ng tama, ay isa sa pinaka makapangyarihan sa pain management. Amending the Rice Tarification Law, Magna Carta of Barangay Health Workers, Equality and Non-Discrimination Act, Civil Service Eligibility for Casual Contractual Government Employees who rendered at least 5 years of service. So, yung mga hindi makapasa-pasa ng civil service pero 5 taon naman na nagtatrabaho as contractual. Oh. Regionalization of Bilibid prisons. Napakaganda rin ito. Mandatory Reserve Officers Training Corps Act. Divorce Act of the Philippines. Maraming may gusto ng divorce. Although ako ayoko ng divorce pero maraming okay dyan. Second week of July naman, may second batch of priority bills siya. And the creation of Congress Parliamentary Bangsamoro Forum, a resolution on the appointment of the Marawi Compensation Board, a resolution on joint exploration of the West Philippine Sea, napakaganda niyan. The Local Development Fund Act, Nursing Home for Senior Citizens Act. Ganda naman nito, pati matatanda inaalagaan ng tama, hindi yung paano-ano lang, pa-cake-cake lang, no? Civil Unions Act, ganda to. The Eddie Garcia Act, Inclusion of Philippine History in High School Curriculum, and Unsung Heroes Day. Biruin mo, gusto niya rin bigyan ng pagkilala yung mga unsung heroes. Padilla, who chairs the Senate Committee on Cultural Communities and Muslim Affairs, pushed for an investigation into why ITAs in Central Luzon have not been able to get some 19 million due them from an agreement signed in 2007. So gusto niya pa makuha ng mga kababayan nating ITA yung para sa kanila. Diba? Hindi pa kasama dyan yung Burial Act niya. Pakagaling talaga ni Robin Padilla. Hindi gumawa ng batas na pangkomunista. Talagang makakatulong sa tao yung mga ginawang batas. Saludo sa iyo, Sir Robin Padilla.